caught doing naughty things with alcohol and parties and got expelled and this, that and the other. Of the chemicals, the endorphins of the rush of an exciting thing to do, whether it's bungee jumping, parachuting, or hanging an aircraft upside down.
I could remember being caned.
Wow.
I was a real bad boy, and mine quite fascinating because everything about you, it looks as though you had it easy, but it's been pretty tough. and then what?
Then my dad died. Difficult time, had some time off, and then things didn't work out. I think what saved me was two things. One, I had a North Star, I had a direction of what I wanted to achieve when I left school eventually. The second thing probably was my determination to, do something with my life and succeed.